Dismal and sweet, your hands behind me. Not grasp my time, totally unexplainable.